Can you please transfer me to a police station regarding a stolen car? They will never book me again, ever.
Oh my god, it's a full moon tonight.
Another one.
I'm ready now.
Okay, I'm not gonna hold you back. Today, one of those days, you guys. I don't think enough people talk about those times when you're a parent and you just feel like you reached full capacity. Like there's literally no more space left, no more nothing left to give. This is me today. Like this morning, I didn't know how to get them off of me. And I feel so bad because I find that, you know, I was lashing out, and even just like the mama, I'm like, ah! But honestly, I started feeling like if I'm not gonna leave this house today, if I'm not gonna have time, just me, my kids are gonna suffer from it. So I decided to escape. Oh, it's a circle?
Oh, the circle because I want to go to the next one.
Benny, this is not quite how you play yo-yo. Did you know?
Yes, I do.
Show me how you play the yo-yo.
Why I don't?
That's definitely one way.
It's CCY.
1 second, let me write it down. Hi, sorry, can you please transfer me to a police station regarding a stolen car? My car got stolen from a driveway at night. Who does that? Who does that? But like someone came to our property. That is so freaking scary. And I woke up at 3 a.m. Something woke me up and I didn't understand what it was. So I thought it was just Jake. So I went to check on them and they were fine. I didn't even think that someone was stealing the car. Okay, spoke to the police. We did everything we needed to do. Reported the stolen car. And now we're back to our to-do list today. And first things first, what day is it today?
Monday.
And you know what we do on Monday?
Yes.
What?
Then you stay home.
No, that's not what we do. That's what you decided to do. But we do Smoothie Monday.
Yes.
Are you ready to help me?
And Benny wants to stay home.
And Benny wants to stay home. In general, Benny has been staying home quite a bit this week, don't you think?
Yes, and I'm ready now.
You ready now? Okay, I'm not gonna hold you back. Joking. Oh my god, you guys, it's been one hell of a day. Oh, these stains are gonna drive me crazy. So the car's been found, which is wonderful news. I had the most annoying day at work. Dealing with people is not easy, but yay for me. I feel a little defeated but still feel pretty positive, to be honest. So I just went, took a shower, just went upstairs, snuck into my room, and just like giving myself 10-15 minutes to just breathe. The kids are downstairs watching TV, God bless their souls, and that's it. We had music class today, but I didn't film because enough already. There were no new developments there. I'm honestly just waiting for, there's like 2 more hours until they go to sleep. No, 1 more hour. And then I'm gonna crawl into bed, have ice cream, and watch a chick flick. Did I just hear mama? Peace out, Monday. We are at the airport. Ems is here working on our next video. We're only in New York for 1 day, one night.
One night.
One night only.
We brought girls with us.
We brought, yes, look at this. This is team bonding trip. This is Jess. She's really excited. She loves New York. And this is Gian.
She loves New York.
Gian is an extreme. She always thinks she's gonna be cold, so she brings in extra clothes. So we're all going. Awesome, thank you so much. Oh my god, it's so hot. Look at the glow, the glow.
Not a good day for the bangs.
Whew. Oh my god. I feel like it's 700 degrees. I'm just telling Emma about our stolen car story yesterday, and she just like doesn't even understand how that happened.
Something that just would happen to Valeria. Like, I don't understand. She texts us and she's like, so, woke up to a stolen car this morning. We're like, what? It was like 8:50 a.m.
I know. My day yesterday was aggressive. But they found the car, the police found the car, and they took it to like whatever to get fingerprints and stuff. But honestly, I don't even, like, obviously I'm happy they found the car, but I was just like, I can't stop thinking about what are like the thieves, what they're going through right now. Like, I want to follow up on this.
Like, it's
because the car was parked nicely. There were still some cigarette packs in the car, so they were obviously planning to come back. And then the police just came, they took like my extra key and they went to get the car. So when the people came back, the car wasn't there anymore. Like, I just wonder what's going through their mind.
like, it's just so crazy.
Dear thieves, if you're watching this vlog, just send me an anonymous email and let me know how you feel, because I want to know. They for sure found their fingerprints because their stuff were in the car, so the police just gonna show up and arrest them.
That's how we do it. You were like actually really calm about it because she called Jess on the phone, and I was sitting there, we're like listening like together, and she's just like, after she got off, she's like, Valeria's like really chill about this. Like, I don't know if she's like really mad or just, oh, like it's just Monday.
At this point, I feel like I'm part of like a TV show where they're just testing me.
It's a setup. Everything's a setup. Right?
Everything's a setup. And whatever, honestly, at the end of the day, they stole the car. It's not pleasant, but whatever.
It's a shame we didn't have the vlog camera in there at the time.
Oh my god, can you imagine? That'll be the best footage ever.
That would be so good.
Oh,
next time.
Maybe not. Maybe no. Maybe no next time. Don't steal my car anymore, okay? I don't want to do it. New York!
Are you so excited to be here?
Woo! Jess and Gian, I hope you like Italian. We're lost, aren't we?
No. There it is.
Whoa! Yes! It's time to feed our souls. Oh no!
Girls.
Guys, behave yourselves. We're in a public place.
What did you get on your dress?
Oil and Nutella.
Clean eating. So we just got back to the room and we look over.
It's hard to breathe. The pajama doesn't close on my stomach, so this is what you get.
Oh my god, it's a full moon tonight.
Another one.
Are you gonna finish that slogan?
Be the best. I'm gonna pretend to read this and fall asleep in 2 minutes. Bye bye. What day is it today?
Wednesday. Tuesday.
Bye bye Tuesday. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's 6:24 a.m. and today I decided to do a quick video about my skincare routine and preparations before going to my modeling job. Now I'm gonna be going to the shoot. Wish me luck. We're gonna be vlogging, obviously, so it's like you're gonna be there because you're always there with me. Who looks tired? You look tired. Who's amazing? You're amazing. You're gonna have the best day ever. You too, Emma. You'll have the best day ever. And now we are off. This is my little outfit of the day today. Something that will be easy to take off. And I'm obsessed with this new backpack. Face looking good. We're good. We're good. I only want to do pregnancy shoot from now on. Look at this spread. And there's like warm food too. Yes, yes. In regular modeling shoots, we basically just get this.
You get this
and maybe an egg. Yeah, an egg. So hair and makeup I'm done with, but I really need to add a little more mascara because I feel like my eyes are shutting down. I'll always bring my own makeup and just add a touch more. You know better than the makeup artist what looks good on you. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. Okay. I'm happy now. I got my way. I'm ready to go back. So we had a little situation with these handcuffs. I can't take them off, and usually at shoots you can't come with any like jewelry because you're promoting one company. You can't wear something that's so like iconic looking like these. Anyway, so I had like 6 people trying to unscrew them. Why am I always doing these? Why can't I just like be normal? Why can't I just like come and no one notices me and there's no drama? I'm joking, it's not a big deal. Anyways, hopefully this won't be an issue. How am I gonna explain this? They will never book me again, ever. You think it's gonna dry?
Yeah. And if anything, that's what.
Guys, today we have a fierce women cast. Right? Look how pretty everyone is. Done. It's 5 p.m. Oh my god. Our flight is delayed, so I'm looking for a place we can eat tacos so I can make me happy and Emma happy. Emma will be really happy with tacos. This is legit American cider.
Just pull that apart. Sorry, I don't want to touch your food.
Thank you.
Wow, that's
Bigger than my head.
Can I?
Thank you. So like this is the pizza party.
It is.
Can you stop it?
You want some hot sauce?
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Okay. It's good. Okay, so we're gonna take a little. Did you get something in your dress?
Obviously.
Oh no, it just is opening. Okay, we're taking some pictures for the gram. Might as well. And everybody's looking at us. Yeah.